welcome back to Keto with Lee. Today we will be making the cheese sticks with my own breaded or the breading recipe, right, for the outside of the cheese stick. We're gonna make them in the air fryer, so this is gonna be interesting. You don't want to miss it. Now, the written recipe and the macros will be on my website at www.ketowithlee.us. The link is in the description. Now, do me a favor and help support my channel, por favor. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, and please remember to subscribe for weekly recipes. Now let's get to it. Okay, well they're supposed to be 12 and 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 because somebody ate them and it wasn't me. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this. You want them all open. Now if you want to do half, I think it'll be too small. So I'm just gonna leave them like that. I was gonna cut them. And what we're gonna do is put them in a airtight container, right? Just stick them in there. And we're gonna freeze them for 40 minutes. And while that's freezing, we're gonna go ahead and do our bread mixture. So let's get these bad boys in the freezer. So there are our cheese sticks, and we're off to the freezer, and then we'll be back to make the bread mixture. We're gonna do our bread mixture while we have that in the freezer preparing. So in here we have our Parmesan, our grated Parmesan cheese. Now you can double this recipe and have it, ready for yourself. Put it in an airtight container or a Ziploc. Oh, I'm sorry. This is black pepper right here. Italian seasonings. Garlic powder. This is almond flour. You can also use coconut flour. And lastly, parsley. That's it. So this is our mixture. Now it's prepared. Now, if you do it ahead of time, make sure that you leave it in the fridge. I like the freshness, that it just keeps it fresher, in my opinion. Okay? So now we'll set this aside, and once those cheese sticks are ready, then we'll go ahead and we'll beat our eggs and set up the assembly line. So, we'll scramble our eggs. I'm gonna start with 2. You might need an extra one depending on how many you're gonna do. Like I said, I have 10, so let's see how well this works. I'm gonna use a glove. Let me get a plate. Just to put them in long. So I've gone ahead and lined the bottom of the air fryer. I might have to fold that. That's where they're gonna go. This is to help with the cleaning of it. It'll make it a lot easier, as well as to help prevent sticking, because we are dealing with cheese, right? So let me go ahead and grab the cheese. Alright, so let's see how this did. Okay, there we go. We froze them for 45 minutes. They don't feel frozen. Oh no. Still, I'm sorry, not 45, well, 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Let's see how this works. So we're gonna dunk it in there, right? And then in here. In some cases, like that one, you might have to just do it twice. I would then freeze it for another 10 minutes, so let's do that. Okay. So, I'm gonna keep going. Alright, I'm going to do those four. Go ahead and freeze them for 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay. So, let me get all this out the way. Went ahead and got these out the freezer. Okay. So now we're going to stick them in. Better. 1, 2. I'm sure you could put more than 4, but I haven't done this before, so I'm scared. So here, sorry, that's how it looks. Okay. Mommy. So now here we go. Hold on, puppy. So we need 400 for 3 minutes. Alright guys. So what it says to do, well, what I'm saying to do, for even cooking, let's turn these bad boys over. Okay. So, they're still pale. I will show you in a moment. Take a look at that. See how pale they are still? So we're going to go back in. Go back at 400 and let's do 5 minutes. Oops. Alright, we'll be back in 5 minutes. So, this is what they look like. Nice and soft. See that? There it is. The cheese stick. Mommy. Hang on, baby. Why don't you guys take a really good look at it? Not bad, right? Not bad. So, I'm gonna plate this. Actually, let me cut this one. I want to show you how it looks inside. So, oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna plate it and let me know what you think.